Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now if you've seen the title, I will be showing you how to trim your ends at home. That's right, this time last year, February 2017, I remember went to the salon, asked for a centimetre, just a little bit taken off, just a little. Ended up getting 2.5 inches taken off. I was kind of devastated because I was actually growing my hair. So since then I've decided I am going to try and trim my hair at home myself. I don't trim it into any particular style, but there are enough videos out there on YouTube to show you how to layer your hair, how to do a diva haircut, and all these lovely styles. And if you're like me, who's not afraid to pick up the scissors, go for it. Also, as a disclaimer, I'd just like to say I am not a hairstylist. No. This is my hair, my hands that are using to cut with the scissors. This is how I like to do it for my hair. Please don't take this as like this is how you must trim your hair. No, this is what I do for my hair. So if you find any of it useful at all, then go ahead, you can use it for yourself, but please don't beat me down in the comment section, okay? So as you can see, let me just show you the ends. They are looking pretty bad. So before I show you my ends, I must say 4 years ago I actually dyed my hair a bright orange. I wanted a different colour, hoping for blonde, but it kind of went out a bit orange. I didn't leave it on there for long enough, and I was supposed to put a toner on, didn't know what I was doing, didn't do my research. Do your research, guys. And it was really bright, and I have been dyeing my hair naturally, not a box dye, with the henna, which is what's on my hair right now. If you need to see that video, I will show you. I'll put a card up here, and I'll link it down in the description box for what I use with the henna dye. But yeah, as you can see, can you see the difference in the colour? Can you see the ends are noticeably brown? Even the henna couldn't do it. The henna didn't take very well. It's much better because it was really bright before. But as you can see, the ends are looking really frayed, really broken. And yeah, it just doesn't take the colour as much. My hair probably needs an inch taken off, and as for the colour, I will just wait till the next time I need it trimmed and take that off again. So let's just move on, shall we? Enough talking, let's get straight on to cutting my hair. The hair scissors. Now my hair scissors, I've had these hair scissors for many years, probably a few decades. They are getting really blunt. They're also really loose. I need to go and take them back to get them professionally sharpened, because you can't cut your hair. I said you cannot cut your hair with blunt scissors. So instead of paying a bunch of money to get that done, I thought I needed my hair cut straight away. I went and got these scissors. They are sharp. Yes, they are arts and crafts scissors, but they are sharp, and that's what you need, a sharp pair of scissors. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I've done this before, right? Okay, so I'm taking this first section. This is what you call my, my fringe. This is my fringe, wow. I'm gonna get some of the MEL'S Butter Me Up. It's nearly finished. Now you can use any cream you want. I just like to use a MEL'S Butter Me Up because it's got so much goodness in it. Now my hair is in its stretched out form, and the reason being, I think I get a more accurate cut in when my hair is stretched out than when it's curly in its natural form, because girl, I've had lopsided hair. I just can't measure it very well. Let me just show you how much I used of the MEL'S Butter Me Up. That's all I used. It's not that much, and I'm just going to put some more on the ends because the ends really need to behave. Okay, so I'm running my hands down my strands, and it feels rough about here. Okay. There's a lot more than I expected to take off. The ends don't even lie straight, even with the cream on. So, you know what? I'm just going to go for it and do it. So I find the place where I feel that it's just, oops, it needs cutting, which is there. Get your scissors, say a prayer, not really, just kidding, and just trim. Let me run my fingers down the hair shaft again and work out where. See, it's just there. Yeah. So now I want to make sure that the hair is going to be the same. Take both of them and cut that together. Done. It kind of feels, it already bounces nicely. It feels good already. Yeah, that's the right length. Okay, and so I'm going to carry on this process all the way around. You see what I mean? It's not even going to go through the comb. Those ends got to go. There's no thinning at the ends, it's just thick all the way down to the ends. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Feels better. Yep, that's the right size. Woo, happy about that. Doing good, Melly. Now, I don't know about you, but I have a really different texture at the back. It's a lot more coarser than it is in the rest of my hair. And the back of my hair, I have no understanding, I don't understand why, but the back of my hair grows a lot slower than the rest of my hair, like super slow. It's so short. I treat this like part of my hair really differently. So I'm used to layering the back of my hair because so that it just falls nicely. I'm just going to show you how bad the back of my hair is, how frizzy it is. There may be a little bit of a curl there from the twist out, who knows, but just want you to see how the back of my hair is. So this part of the section, which is this part here, is really thin, very frizzy, and this light's a little bit thicker, but I've got a lot of thinning down at the bottom, which is the ends I'm going to take off. So I'm going to split that into two. A lot of Mel's Butter Me Up here. Not that it would do that much of a difference. It's not about the pearls or the diamond rings. How I wear my hair. We're going to twist it forward. It's the same piece from the back. I'm going to cut it at an angle. Just that much. Maybe I should show you this way. I'm going to go snip. That's how much I took off. So now I'm going to take it to the side. And then I will just cut it on an angle. Just to touch it up. Yeah, that's it. So that's the top part done. I really need the Mel's Butter Me Up cream to come through. Look at that. So much better. That's better. But what you must understand and know is the woman's heart gone too close. No, that's good. Okay, and that is it, guys. That's it. I've done my hair. So let's see if it looks better or it feels better. It's flopping nicely now. Look, it's got a bit of weight to it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Am I mistaken or does it look darker? Because the ends have gone now. Oh look, I'm just using my hands. Look how amazing that feels. That's so good. Oh my goodness. Can you see that at the back? There's a little bit tug in there. Apart from that, I'm really happy with it. Let's see if it runs the Dem and Brush test. Yes. It's running straight through. Love it. So I've just given myself a nice trim. That was the time. Took 27 minutes. So I'm just going to show you the ends that were taken off. All of that, that's it. Which isn't that much really. I'm sure I've still got a little bit more to take off. So I guess in about 3 months time I will assess my hair, look at the ends, see if it needs dusting, which is tidying up, and if the ends need to be trimmed, your girl's gonna cut them off. So this is it guys, this is how I trim my hair at home. It was inexpensive, it was pain-free. Okay, I was sweating quite a bit because I was nervous. However, I mean, look, it took me 27 minutes to do. My hair looks healthier. You can see the ends look really strong now. There's no weakness. And I've cut some of the dye out. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I hope it gave you some confidence. If you're not already trimming your hair yourself at home, I hope that it's giving you confidence to do it yourself. Thank you so much to my subscribers who keep returning. You guys are becoming like my online friends. Yeah. Thank you so much. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead. You might want to consider subscribing. Yeah, press the button. Guys, I'm going to go now. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. And remember, you are beautiful in the sight of God. Bye.
The pearls or the diamond rings, how I wear my hair, what the color